Long as you never me, I got it. Mobbing, scheming, looting, hide your bodies.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And do we have a beautiful vacation type of unit for you? Listen, when I tell you I did nothing, I did nothing. Put it on, mold the baby hairs, put a little bit of concealer, and finger combed. That was it. No water, no nothing. Straight out the pack to the head, and we done. We are done. Today's unit is by SunberHair, another great company to look into. I have worked with this company also many times. I can't even count. They have really good top tier hair at affordable prices. They're definitely worth checking out. Today's unit is a 7x5 curly beauty, honey. Look at this. I didn't even layer it. I didn't feel like layering it. I just love it the way it is. I mean, could you imagine if I was to take a comb to this and really brush this out, how big it would be, how big and beautiful? But I wanted a little bit of the curl definition to stay in there, so I decided not to do anything to it. Like, you know what I'm saying? Let's see what we can do straight out the box with the least amount of work. You got your unit, you're pinched for time, you gotta be somewhere, you ain't got time to be fidgeting and doing all this stuff. Straight out of the box, ready, good to go. Absolutely stunning. This is, for me, I would say a vacation unit. Like, I'm carrying this to the beach. I'm taking this to the beach, okay? I'm from around the way. I'm taking this to the beach. It is a 7x5. You guys have heard me say it before. I love these wide closures that kind of mimic a frontal, because when I tell you all you need to do is put it on your head and go, that's all you need to do. Put it on your head and go. If you don't like baby hairs, you can definitely put it on your head and go. If you're someone like me and want a little bit of razzle dazzle around that hairline, you're gonna have to go ahead and handle that little situation right there. But it takes no time. It takes no time. And once you perfected it, like, you can literally just take this off your head. It is 100% glueless. All I did was use some mousse. I've really been into mousse, especially when it comes to these closure units, like these wide closures. Like, there's no need for you to stick it down. You can take it off and go to bed comfortable at night. Like, why are we stressing ourselves out? Girl, take it off and get you a good night's rest. Stressing yourself out. The wind blows, especially with a curly unit. You ain't got to worry about nothing, girl. All you want to do is put a little pin here and there, especially if you have your hair braided underneath, and go in the water, girl. Get in the water, get in the pool, and don't worry about nothing. You're gonna be looking good. You're gonna be looking good in that water. Yes, that's the type of stuff that we want. This is one of those units, especially a curly hair unit is definitely water friendly because it thrives on water, number one. It defines itself more in water, number two. And it's a lot more forgiving, number three. When I tell you, all I did was finger comb it, that's all I did. You can still see that there's a lot of curl definition. When I tell you there's volume, it is 24 inches. Of course, if you stretch it out, you get 24 inches. I love this. It's giving scissor, but manicured. You know what I'm saying? It's giving scissor. Okay, like, we are ready for the stage, honey. Yes, come on now. This is absolutely stunning and super easy to style. Like, it is gorgeous. It's gorgina. Yes, like, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. It is so beautiful. Look at that. Look at all of that. That's way too much in the front. Put some more in the back and bring out a little bit. The way it hugs the shoulder, like, it's just so flattering. Having big hair is just always going to be beautiful no matter what, especially if it's a curly unit. Absolutely love this. All the information is going to pop up right here. You guys already know. For anything that I forgot to say, it's going to pop up right here. This is a 7x5 by knots. That's another thing. It's bleached, honey. Lace wear. Now, if you see the lace, you're too close on me. Me and you, we not friends like that. Back up now. Just putting that out there. Don't pay me any mind. Make sure you check them out. All the information will also be linked down below. And yeah, let's get right on into the styling of this video.
People in therapy are often there to deal with people in their lives who won't go to therapy. I have a job, it's actually quite fulfilling, though my hairline is thinning. do meditation, walks in the woods, a new destination. I sit with my feelings. Sometimes I'm even journaling. I got a full-time job, though no one pays me, and it's all thanks to you. Some days I wish I had a relationship status. Then I remember last time I ain't got time for that. I have a job, it's actually quite fulfilling. Though my hairline is thinning, I barely do anything else. I read self-help books, I do meditation, walks in the woods, a new destination. I sit with my feelings. Sometimes I'm even journaling. I got a full-time job, though no one pays me, and it's all thanks to you. My friend says I ain't stuck. I'm too self-aware, but how else will I get any luck if there are wounds left to wear? I read self-help books, I do meditation, walks in the woods. I knew.
So that is all I did. How easy is that? That is just way too easy. That is way too easy. That's too easy. Come on now. This is straight out of the box. Just like this. That's it. And we look good. We look cute, girl. Like we ready to go outside. This is the type of unit you gotta go outside. You wanna be outside, out in the sun, getting that vitamin D. Yes, look at this. This is beautiful. This is a vacation unit. Let me tell you something. As soon as I touch down, straight in the water, I'm not hesitating, okay? Me and my unit all together. It's a head turner. It's a head turner. Absolutely stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. 10 out of 10, I do recommend. Okay, y'all already know if it ain't good hair, don't make it on here. Listen, make sure you check out SunberHair. All the information for this unit will be down in the description box. I suggest that you go and grab this, especially if you're going on vacation, you don't know what to do with your hair, and you don't want to be fussing. Like, you want to relax, okay? The most you probably want to do is put on your makeup. Get you a couple of these and put them down. If one is wet, the other one is dry, ready to go. You see what I'm saying? You got to have your backup now. Yes, no fuss, no muss. Yeah, listen, if it is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe. Join the tribe, comment, and we are a happy bunch. We like to keep it nice and clean and classy. And here, follow me on all of my social media platforms, TikTok, IG, and all of that good stuff. Everything is under my name. Comment down below because I want to hear from you guys. Share the video because sharing is caring. Can we say you had too much caffeine today, Sumi? Yes. That brain is awake. Anyways, don't pay me any mind. Listen, I want to say thank you for all the love that you guys are showing me on my vlogs. You guys don't understand how much I appreciate all the love that you guys are showing me. I don't want to cry. So we're going to hop on out of here, okay? So yeah, until the next video, take care of yourselves. I love you guys so much. I will see y'all guys on the next one.